Hi, my name's Jeffrey Jacobs and I'm going to teach you how to draw birds. What makes me the best person to be teaching you? Well, here are some examples of my work. In this course, I'm going to show you exactly the techniques that I use to do drawings just like that. I'm going to do the drawings right in front of your face from start to finish and explain every step of the way so that you can follow along with a pencil and paper and learn the techniques for yourself. Bird species that we cover include owls, parrots, robins, eagles, penguins, ducks, chickens, and you're also going to learn all about general bird anatomy.